In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Instant Gaming promo code in 2024. Instant Gaming promo codes are important because they provide opportunities to save money on game purchases, unlock exclusive content, or access special deals that might not be available otherwise. These codes can make gaming more affordable, allowing players to enjoy more games within their budget. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then type in Instant Gaming promo code 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit site just like this one where you can stand a chance and get up to 96% off any purchase on Instant Gaming. Choose any coupon code and tap on Copy Code. Your code will get copied to clipboard. Go to the Instant Gaming official website. On the payment page, paste in your coupon code. Double check down and see if your code is applied successfully before making any payments. That's how easy it is to get your Instant Gaming promo code every month in 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.